and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome, join the enthusiasm, just subscribe. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different, and it is gonna be like a mixed tutorial for eye look and my hair. Speaking honestly, I did this hairstyle in 11 minutes. I set the timer, and I guess I will be putting a timer on the screen too. So today I created this smoky green halo eye look, and yes, I will be doing just the eye look for today, and it's gonna be like a no voiceover video. So if you want to see how to get this green smoky halo eye and these curls, then please keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm almost halfway done, and I'm gonna create this eye look. It's not complete, but once I complete this eye, then I will complete the leftover part of this eye. First, I'm gonna prime my eyes, and for that I am going to use my NYX eyeshadow primer, and I'm just gonna apply it just like this, and now I'm just gonna blend it with my fingers. Next, as you can see that I have some discoloration, so I'm just gonna apply some concealer and blend it. So once the concealer is blended, I'm just gonna take some Fit Me powder on my brush, and I'm just gonna apply it just to set that area. In this way, the eyeshadow brush is gonna work nicely and smoothly. First of all, I'm gonna take this green shade from here, apply this, and by the way, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Live on Dance Floor Sparklers palette. You have to make sure that you blend everything really nicely, otherwise this look is gonna turn into a Halloween look. In fact, I will be doing a Halloween look, and I have something in mind for that, but you just have to wait for that for a little while. Once the green is done, we need a nice and dark black shade, and the blackest shade and the most pigmented black eyeshadow that I have was also from Makeup Revolution, and this is in the Revolution Pro Regeneration Trends is your palette, and this is the shade. First of all, just taking a little bit and tapping off the excess, and now this will go on the eyelid as well as the crease. Now I am doing a video like this after so many days. Like last 5 to 6 videos were repeatedly like voiceovers, so that's why I decided that I will not do that today. You know, in a voiceover you just can't connect properly, that's what I feel. Now I'm just placing this shade into my crease and building it up. Blend this out. It's been like almost 10 minutes and I am just blending these two shades together. But I think that's what's gonna make your eye look flawless. Now I'm just taking a clean blending brush and blending with this. And next I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm not gonna cut it completely, I'm just gonna show you how to do that. I am just taking some Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade Neutralizer, and just a flat brush, just picking up the concealer. And now I'm just gonna place it on the center, just like that, and in a few seconds you will see that this concealer actually blends with the eyeshadow. Now this step is gonna be very much according to your eye shape. I have like partially hooded eyes. You can see that this skin is not very tight, it's kind of hanging. So this is the type of thing that I like to do for my eyes. And you have to figure out what eye shape you have and you have to work according to that. And now I'm just using my finger and kind of blending it in even more. Especially from the sides, you have to blend it in from the sides really well. Once that is done, your eyes are gonna look something like this. And then again you have to take the flat blending brush and take the black shade again and now intensify this region. Intensify the black over there. And also on this side. Just like that. And now a little bit here too. Once that is done, I'm just gonna take a shimmer shade. Now this is the shade Element from the Regeneration Pro palette, and I'm taking it on my fingers and I'm just gonna place it where the concealer is. Like you can see, just one swipe and that's a really gorgeous shade. Now I'm just kind of spreading it. You don't want it to be that intensified, so what you have to do is you just have to take a fluffy blending brush and you just have to give like strokes, small strokes, little bit, just to kind of blend that shade in. That's what you have to do actually, you have to blend that in. If the upper part of your eye is that dark and you don't have anything on the lower part, obviously it's gonna look weird. So now we're gonna do the lower lash line, and for that I am taking the green shade again on a very like thin blending brush and just placing it on my lower lash line and a little bit below my lower lash line too. Now taking the black shade and placing that too. Once that is done, I am just gonna take my mascara and also I will be applying some false eyelashes. So now I am gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. Now the next step is to do a little eyeliner and a little wing, but if you have hooded eyes then try not to be thick in this area with the eyeliner. So I'm just gonna create a wing and also gonna define my eyes a little bit. Next I'm gonna put on some false eyelashes and then I am gonna complete this eye and then I am gonna complete my whole face and then I will be back for the hair. There are only gonna be like 2 sections. I divided from here all the way back and the upper part is gonna be tied up. And I'm gonna take my curler. This is a curler from Philips. I don't know, I bought this like 2 to 3 years ago. And I don't even know that whether Philips is making colors like this now. But if I find it somewhere, I'll link it for you guys. So right now I'm curling this in, out. Right now I'm curling this in a manner away from my face, like it's gonna be like this. Just like that. Now next I'm gonna take this and do the same. So there you go. Now doing the same with this side too. I just want to do this before 10 minutes because I just want to do this before 10 minutes because I just want to do this before 10 minutes because it is kind of a challenge to me. Now do not forget to apply a heat protector spray before doing this. I have already applied that. Now just because I want to do this before 10 minutes, that's why I'm not combing my hair. But you have to comb your hair if you want like a perfect, flawless hair. Then you have to comb your hair. And okay, so 4 is done. 4 are done. Now I'm just taking a little part. And rest is again gonna be tied up. And that's how I work with my hair. I take small parts and work according to them. Now dividing the leftover into 2 more parts. This is the last one, I guess. Yep, that's it. And now I'm taking another section. And now I'm just taking another section and I have only 4 minutes left. Alright, I think it's gonna take 15 minutes, not less than that. Because we've got only 3 more minutes. And I've got like many sections to go. Now the last part. I'm gonna divide this into two, and I'm just gonna pin one over. I'm gonna divide that into two, and I'm just gonna pin one over there. Now I'm gonna take this. That's the problem. Alright, so we've got 1 minute and we've got one part left. I think I'm gonna do this in 10 minutes. No, I don't think. It's gonna take a little more than 10 minutes because it's gonna take a little more than 10 minutes, maybe 11 minutes, because that part is like thick. Now for the last part. Alright, so after adjusting it a little bit, that's done. I guess that's nice and curled. And if you want the curls to hold for long, then just take a volume spray and just go like this into the curls. Alright. Yes, so that's it. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video.